Do you ever feel like you have nothing to wear? Do you ever wish you could just wear your underwear out of the house? Well, even if it never crossed your mind before, now I'm gonna teach you how. Celebrities have been doing this for years. They literally will wear lingerie as outfits. And that is a cool fashion hack that I thought I would teach you guys more about, because if anyone knows about it, it's Blair Waldorf and me. I am fully dressed for this video, but don't worry, not for long. One of the things that I do best is wearing lingerie out of the house. Honestly, most of my outdoor clothes are underwear. It's an art form if I do say so myself. So without further ado, here we go. Your easy how-to guide. Turning underwear into high fashion. All right, here we go. All right, let's begin. All right, so we are literally gonna jump right into it and get in with the hardcore stuff. How in the hell would you wear this outside? Well, let me show you. Drum roll, please. Tip number 1. Put on your favorite rhinestone cowboy hat and call it a day. No, just kidding. But before we get started, of course, as always, all of the lingerie shown in today's video is courtesy of Savage X Fenty. It is Rihanna's lingerie line. They have tons of great deals, but especially right now, 2 for $29 bras and 50% off the rest of your first VIP order. Free shipping on orders over $49, plus the 30-day fit guarantee gives you 30 days to return any item for free. Size inclusive body positivity, we absolutely love to see it. So of course, if you guys want to twin with me and shop any of my looks from today's video, link in description. Happy shopping, and now back to business. Like, okay, first of all, the set is adorable. Look at the orange and the pink. The colors are just so fun for summer, but here we go. How in the world can I wear this outside? Well, I can just post it on the internet like I am right now, or like this. I admit it takes a bold ass bitch to wear this outside, but throw on some business pants and a purse and heels. Dinner in Dubai, dinner in Saint-Tropez, I think yes. If that's too much for you, you can make it a little more conservative, you know, throwing on a blazer. And look at that. Like, the pop of color makes it very sexy and spicy and fun, but also corporate. Very 9-to-5 chic. Can you tell I've been fired from like 7 9-to-5s before YouTube? Okay, that's how I'd wear this out of the house. There's also a million different ways you can style this. So easy. Watch this. You can change the shoes and change the pants for a totally different little vibe. Fun surprise that you got a matching set on underneath. And if you're not quite comfortable wearing a full bra outside, a corset top might be the look for you. Honestly, corsets just make great shirts. For a more casual look, corsets also look awesome with jeans. Like, this is a great little casual summer sneaker vibe. I don't really know why I said sneaker when I'm wearing heels, but you know, grab a bag, fashion. Next tip. Corset tops are good for so many things. While definitely cutesy lingerie items on their own, da-na-na-na-na. Tuck it into jeans and wear it as a shirt. I do this literally all the time. Like, do you recognize this? I do this all the time for my outfits of the days. I literally will just like accessorize a corset and jeans. I always am wearing corsets as tops because, well, they're very flattering and you don't have to wear a real bra. And voila, a look from bedroom to out and about in 2 seconds. Of course, if you wanted to dress it up a little more corporate, you can put some nice corporate pants on, you know? And again, I'm pretty sure you could get away with wearing this to the office. If, of course, well, you were the boss. And if you guys really want to go underwear to Met Gala glam, you can pair the corset with matching underwear like I have done here. Of course, all Savage X Fenty. And then something like a meshy skirt like this. And now you have a high fashion ball gown. Amazing. Not gonna lie, this is definitely impractical, but if you're like me and are willing to wear it out in public, you will get some cool photos. Ugh, glamour. And another great hack, literally just put a whole outfit on top of it. You'd never know. I'm just wearing my underwear out of the house. Very billionaire wife vibes. Swap the accessories and you're ready to go clubbing. Instead of going to work, go clubbing instead. There's really 1,001 and 1,000 ways, I'm really bad at counting, but wear your corset out on the town or just on Instagram. Go ahead and grab your Savage X Fenty bathrobe. And honestly, if you want to wear your bathrobe outside, you can. Is this not so reminiscent of my original video so many moons ago? But yeah, this hack still works. Now we're keeping our lingerie outside. Classy. Invisibility cloak. Whoosh. Like, you just feel so glamorous wearing bathrobes outside. It's like a really glam shawl. Again, no one has to know. Again, there's a million different ways to get away with doing this, but tweed skirt suit is one of my personal favorites. Looking runway, looking lingerie, looking fire. Next tip. You guys see me do this all the time with oversized men's shirts, though these shirts are actually women's shirts this time, but so shirts like this can actually be easily transformed into daytime, nighttime looks like this. Ooh, grabbing some fire accessories, like a matching shoe and bag. You can turn your man's pajama shirt, or your own, into a catwalk ready look. You guys see me wear stuff like this out all the time. This is one of those little Kourtney Kardashian inspired kind of looks. You think it's so cute, don't you, Pumpkin? You sleepy little man. I love you. I forget what number we're on, but here we go. Just adding simple things like a headband and some tights can totally transform the look. Ta-da! Casual to outside in a snap. You'd never know that I didn't step off the runway. Or maybe you would because I filmed this video, but hey, that's a secret between me and, you know, all 3.5 million of you. Shh, don't tell. Plus, if you tuck in the shirt, you can also completely change the look. Not to mention the whole look tucked into a skirt. Now that's really high fashion. Not to mention if you wear something cute and spicy underneath it, like this little set. Oh my goodness. Another bonus, go ahead and tie it up pin-up style, because that's also gonna completely change it. Again, if you add some cool accessories, like leather pants, hello, cool bag, and bam, your little pajama top is now a Parisian clubbing outfit. Would you ever know I'm wearing my pajama underwear? No. Now that's a life hack. So stinking cute. Bye. Next up, you can also do a similar thing with cute little pajama sets. Like this is a little top and shorts, and we're gonna turn it into an outfit. Watch this. Like all on its own, this is just a cute little pajama set, perfect for saying goodnight moon. Grab a cute attitude and a new mini skirt and some heels, and literally now we are ready to go to brunch. So sneaky. Not to mention, under everything, you can hide cute little looks like this star bra. Like this one to remember you're the star of the show. Bonus tip. While we're on the topic of those oversized pajama shirts, corsets are a great way to dress those up and an excuse to wear your corsets out of the house. These oversized shirts don't have to look giant and oversized. If you throw the corset on top, you will make it a full makeover. You can wear a corset over one of those oversized men's shirts and look, now it's a very trendy, cool little dress. I'm sweating in this sweatshirt. Coming up next. By the way, you can do the same hack with bodysuits and matching sets. Like, you know, this is just like a cute little blue Princess Jasmine inspired set. But, you know, you could totally wear this as a shirt too if you wanted. Multifaceted. Now it's a blouse. Haha, cool. And last but not least, oh, I feel very smart in these. Finally, I bet you're wondering how in the world I'm gonna show you how to wear this outside. Well, like this. I'm kidding, honestly, I probably wouldn't wear this set outside. This is actually a set more reserved for lounging at home. Though this is honestly a look. No, this is just a cute little set that I would wear underneath my clothes because, you know, even when you're not wearing your lingerie on the outside. Just so you know, I'm always wearing a matching set because that will always make you feel sexy. I'm ready to strut my stuff, dressed or not, all over town. It's just like a fun little secret to have a matching set on underneath something. Whew, makes you feel spicy. Again, just for me and everyone on the internet to know. So there you have it, you guys. That is how to turn underwear into high fashion. Again, huge shout out to Savage X Fenty for sponsoring this video. Huge shout out to you guys for watching. And huge shout out to me for being willing to prance around in my underwear for the internet's enjoyment. Honestly, it's really for my own enjoyment. I love doing this. This is the perfect career for me. So like, comment, subscribe so I can keep this my job, okay? I will see you guys next time. All my love in the world. XO. Hi, yeah, I'm ready for the parent-teacher conference. I know I don't have any kids, I just wanted to come.